Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So we are doing the Barbie guide tour today. So finished hanging the eye hooks in the ceiling today on the third floor. We were like 20 short, so went through and hung those in all the light fixture locations right there. And then I did forget to grab the laser probably, but like I said, working on the MC. So that means from these boxes we had to jump over the ramp right here. So have to go that one, that one, that one. So there's 3 sets that I did. The MC kind of a little saggy at some spots just because the clips don't really grab it that well. But as you can see over here, it's a lot better. So I got this one done right here. And then we just stuck all the wires in the box and then started leaving more slack. So this one right here, this row right there. So we also have these ramps. I'll show you if I don't forget, but we got some ramps to drive sideways on the ramp, so you're not going back and forth. And then here's the last row that I did right here, just going down. And then I had my coworker start on the piping right here. So as you can see, I left the laser out on accident, but remembered that as soon as we left. So anyways, got the pipe started from, you can't really see it, but there's another box down at the other end, pipe, box, pipe, and then not quite to that next box yet. So hopefully it won't be too hard to get the pipe in that box. Otherwise, worst case, we'll have to take it down and put the pipe in and rehang the box, because you kind of want to work as you go. Put the box and then the pipe as you go, and then set the next box, because if you just set the boxes, then it's going to be really hard to get the pipe in between the boxes once they're already set on the ceiling. So that's what worked on today. Running the wire and yeah, setting the hooks, setting the eye hooks, running the wire, and just strapping everything up on the ceiling. So that's what we did. I'm just gonna turn this off really quickly. There we go. Throw that in the back. So anyways, super straightforward day. Expected this to take a lot longer, but it went by really nicely. So I'm going to drive over there real quick, show you the ramps, and yeah. Alright, so here's the ramps. It's kind of like half of a ramp. So you just set it on the side right here, and then you can drive out straight. So there's two of them right here. They have a little edge right here. So there's one right here, and then the other one is on the back side, but you just set them flat, and then you can drive straight without having to tip over and die. And then here's the other style, which is just going forward, but the ones that we got go sideways, so you can drive this way, and that one is just for going straight. So anyways, that should do it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it as always. Thanks for stopping by. If you liked it, my gosh, I always mess this up every time. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. I appreciate that. Subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow. Might drive by the house tonight, not sure. I don't know if they're doing anything today, but if my friend sends me a picture and there's some progress, I'll drive by and should do it. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Did a live stream last night, that was cool. And if you haven't tried avocado toast, do it, because it's good. The first 5 bites suck, but after that, whoo, mercy, it's good. Add some salt. All right guys, tip of the day. Thanks guys, see you later. God bless. Peace out.